How to use a Roblox support ticket. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Roblox, log into your account, and then scroll down at the bottom. Then you'll find Help. Click on Help. In Help, you'll find all these options. Suppose I have problem with my Roblox account, I'll click on Roblox account and then select the one you prefer. Suppose I forgot my password, and you'll find all these options. If this does not work, simply you'll find customer support, click on it, and then you'll find ticket pop up. In here, add your first name, email address. Email address is very important. Then select your issue, and then select category, and then describe your issue, and then press on continue. After you have done that, Roblox will send you email with a ticket in this way, as you can see, and it may solve your problem. And this is how to use a Roblox support ticket. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.